All right, hello, all the way from Osaka, Japan. We have hopped to our third destination on our Japan trip, and we are headed down to a very, very delicious part of the Japanese country. Right now, we are on our way to Dotonbori Street, otherwise known as Japan's Kitchen. This is where all the good street food is, delicious restaurants, all of Japan's best, greasiest, yummiest, tastiest food is located. So we're going to go and check it out. We've got our wallets full and we've got our bellies empty. So we're ready to go. Oh my God, and they got that huge crab up there. That's my appetizer. Just the beginning meal.
Or like where we were this morning. Oh yeah, I love that.
Dotonbori Street. This place is absolutely packed with signs. Not a lot of people, it's not too busy. I mean, we are here on a Monday, so that might be a reason why. But the signs for this place is like, holy crap. You want the duck egg?
No, I want the sweet potato.
Oh. Ooh, those duck eggs look a little ripe, but like I said, close your eyes, think of a happy place, and give it a taste. I see spider.
I have 3.
Okay.
4.
Yep.
Keeps going up.
There we go.
Maybe I have more than I thought. Yeah. I have
5, 6.
Yes.
Sweet. All right.
Thank you.
Hi. Arigatou gozaimasu. Try some. There you go. Whoa, yummy.
Oh, I love sweet potatoes.
It smells very good.
Sticky, that's the only thing.
I mean, I think it's kind of like caramelized a little bit.
Yeah, it's just sticky, so it's a little messy.
You'll be all right. You're in Dotonbori, Japan's kitchen. So eat up, man.
Sorry, I licked my finger.
It's all right. Give it a taste. Good? Mm-hmm. Nice. Mm-hmm. Sure. Is it hot? Mm-mm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Wow. Very soft. It's like perfectly cooked too. Okay. Onward. It just keeps going. On and on. Oh crap. Is that a ride? I think that's a ride. It is. It's like a giant Ferris wheel. Holy crap. That's pretty cool. I believe this is the spot that JB was referencing. Looks pretty popular. Alright, so we've reached the front of the line, and they've got some recommendations up in the front. Their most popular is takoyaki with soy sauce and mayonnaise.
With onion.
And what JB just ordered was their second most popular, brown sauce with mayonnaise. Goes putting the octopus into our takoyaki. Some extra ingredients going in. Looks like some type of maybe rice something, I don't know.
Like Rice Krispies.
Yeah, look like Rice Krispies or something like that. And then another layer to go on. There we go. Master at work. So, here we go. Alright, JB has received his, and I think mine will be done momentarily. Esther and Mike are in line.
Soy sauce mayonnaise?
Yeah, soy sauce. Thank you.
Yes, brown sauce.
Alright. Wow, look at this treasure. Going to work my way over here. Oh man. Woo-hoo. Wow, check that out. I think right here is good. Can I just, so this was the takoyaki with the soy sauce inside. Give you some complimentary chopsticks, but I've got little overgrown toothpicks to give this a go. Hope they're not too hot. Woo! Woo! Real hot. I messed up. Wow. Alright. I got past the initial temperature.
Tango. Okay, let's see how this tastes.
This is pretty good. It is very good. I love the flavor. This one, the octopus is also a little less chewy than the takoyaki I had over at, what was it, Odaiba? I think it was Odaiba, the mall, whatever it was, where we were supposed to see the fireworks. But this is definitely less chewy, for sure, which makes, obviously, the dish a lot better. But the soy sauce and everything, the flavor is really, really tasty. I like it. So I'm gonna try and spread my onions right here.
Oh no! That's delicious.
Oh no! I might have to.
My mouth.
Might have to make a quick escape.
All right. Let's relocate.
Here we go to Takoyaki House.
Look at that.
Look at that.
You're still moving. Happy day.
I know you guys can see that steam coming off. Wow, look at that. Woo. Bon appetit. That was just a little bit of octopus in there. Let's do it, baby. I actually like the brown sauce better.
The one that JB got?
Yeah.
Thank you, though.
It's a sweet and savory flavor. Very good. Wow. Yeah, that brown sauce is good.
And this is not hard.
All right, that takoyaki was absolutely delicious. Mike, what do you think?
Delicioso.
Delicioso. And so now we are on to our next Dotonbori street food adventure. JB, where are your taste buds leading you?
There.
Okay.
We need Okonomiyaki.
All right, we found our way into this back street alley. And there is food, and food galore. Delicious ramen, all different types of street food. I think they're making some type of ice cream or something over here. Oh man, they've literally got everything you could imagine down here. Fujiyama, which is a Japanese shrimp tempura bowl. They've got ramen back there, takoyaki obviously, the seafood pancake, which the name is slipping my mind right now. They've got beer, they've got other different types of delicious, delicious Japanese cuisine. Dumplings, deep fried chicken. It's all here, man. The only problem is, where do we go next? So let's see what Katie's taste buds are telling her. What do we got?
I'm just looking over so I can look.
Finding vegan food can be somewhat problematic sometimes in Japan, but If there's anywhere that we can find vegan food, I reckon it would be Dotonbori. Japan's kitchen has got to have some pure vegetables for my sister to chow down on.
I don't know.
It's fine, let's just keep going.
Hopefully cheap burger.
It's called a kushikatsu, deep fried skewers. Ooh, you can get wagyu. All right, we're gonna give this place a go. I believe they have the Okonomiyaki too, so we should be able to sample a little bit of everything. Looks like we're in business. Boys? Alright, so we're down here in this nice little restaurant. Katie has found some lovely things to eat, so we're going to let her grab some grub so she's not starving walking around Dotonbori. But while we're here, this restaurant has got a lot to choose from. And when I say a lot, I mean a lot. Like, very big portions and a very big menu. So, I don't quite want to get my Okonomiyaki here, simply because I feel like there's better places that you can get it. But I'm going to try one of these skewers. And we had a night where we went to some izakayas and we tried some delicious skewers and everything like that. But instead, I'm going to get a dessert skewer here. I didn't see any of those there in the izakayas. I know what chocolate covered banana is, I know what cheesecake is, and I know what chocolate brownie is. But what I don't know is what is bamkuchen. We're gonna find out. I'm gonna go ahead and order one of those. So we ran into a bit of a problem here. We didn't realize that we were ordering these drinks, which we thought were just normal iced teas and peach ginger ales, off of the cocktail menu. So the non-drinkers of our group are gonna get a little buzz going on here. Kanpai! There we go.
It's not as noticeable in this as it is in that, so it's a little trickier. Right.
This is peach ginger ale.
Yeah,
What was yours again, JV?
Peach oolong.
Peach oolong and peach ginger ale.
Very good.
It's blended in there. It tastes.
These are very hard to tell because again, like I don't get drinks like that normally. Yeah, so they're very like sweet and soda-y. It's very, very difficult to pick it up. Sugary drinks. Okay. Okay.
No sauce.
No sauce. Yeah. All right. Sausage. Yeah. And then bamkuchen. Potato. Okay.
Egg, quail egg.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. These two, no sauce.
All those.
Okay. All right. Well, I thought the bamkuchen was a little bit bigger of a skewer, but I think that these are the only two that I got. That's fine. Only here to try, not being greedy. Go ahead and move these over. What was this again?
This is quail egg.
Quail egg, okay. So quail egg, shiitake mushroom, potato, spicy sausage, and bamkuchen. Let's try this bamkuchen. It looks like there's some kind of a little sweet, like syrup or something on it. Maybe honey. Here we go.
Can I borrow?
Yeah, go ahead.
It's pretty good. I've tasted this type of like dessert before, but because I don't eat desserts very often, I can't really put my tongue on it. It kind of tastes like a funnel cake almost. What is that?
What'd you get, Katie?
Giant egg.
Oh my god. Yeah, initially when she was ordering the eggs, Katie ordered the $4 one because we thought that one was gonna be about maybe that big. It ended up being about as big as that plate. So then, before the $4 one had gotten here, she just said, oh, okay, like, I'll order the bigger one because I think I'll still be hungry.
I don't think it's that big.
And
Split like 4 4.
Dude, that's a big freaking egg. Like, if you put that thing back together and put it up next to your noggin, that's bigger than your head. Yeah.
That's a lot.
Honestly, I was about to say one of them is like a fist of egg. Thing is huge. Holy crap. All right, let's get in here.
This is on the same.
Go, Katie. Pull apart. There we go.
Look at that layer.
There you go.
Protein.
Yeah.
This is 1 egg.
How many grams? How many grams of protein do you think it is? Probably like a good 45. No. There's probably at least like 40 in here.
You're gonna have to wipe.
Good.
It's the same as the other one.
See, napkin. Damn. We'll wipe this off. Cut it easy.
All right. Well, the other egg apparently had a little bit of a fish taste for Kato, so that's a no-go. So now it's up to the rest of the team. Sexy desu.
Sexy desu.
Polish this off so we can move on to our next destination. Oh my god. This egg is thick with 2 C's.
That way you can
Go to the ramen place.
Oh my god. Oh. 2 dozen eggs later,
It's this way.
Team Sexy Desu has made it through. Man. That was the first time that I have ever had a full egg loaf. Like, that was literally a slice of bread, but like in egg form. That was, or it's not a slice of bread, a loaf of bread, but in egg form. That was huge. Holy crap. Wow. Man. All right. Short train ride, and we are now at Shinsekai, which is another extension of all the food in Osaka. Check this place out. Oh man. What happened?
There's turtles. It's probably gonna be used for food.
Yep, come on.
Come on.
Let's go.
Come on, baby.
Wow. Very interesting. I don't know the rules of the game, but if I had to guess, I would say that guy was cheating, but not my game, so I'll keep my nose out of it. It's quite a lot to do. This one is a little bit more condensed. It seems a little more engaged. The other one was much bigger, and it's kind of like you have to find your way through and you get to the food. It looks like this is more of a like a carnival or kind of like on the street style, you know? Wow. What is this? Miniature arcade? What the heck are these things? I don't even want to know. Okay. Now this right here is starting to look more like the market that we're looking for. Whoa. All right. Now, Okonomiyaki.
That's cool.
Where are you? Fish pancake. Quick picture, and then we're off to find some food.
How can I get it?
Looks like we found our place.
It's called this.
Surahashi Fugetsu Shinsekai. Hi. Let's see. I wonder if they're closing. They might be closed. Bye. Ah, okay. So we're good. Oh, this looks like a kind of like the. We'll do this one. Yeah. All right. What I was saying is this kind of looks like the grill houses back home. With everything right in front of you, and it's cooked fresh. Should be interesting. So I decided to go, I'm just going to sample one of their okonomiyakis, mainly because I don't have too much of an appetite after downing that giant monster egg. So yeah, I'm gonna get something light. I'm gonna get the grilled kimchi. I love kimchi. Kimchi's so good. And then I'm also, if I'm still hungry after that, I will get another small side dish. They have something called German potatoes and a couple of other things that they just grill up into like small little things. that are pretty cheap. So I'll probably grab one of those, provided I am still hungry.
There's nothing bad, like, just people, like, foreigners
Get some fresh cheese in there.
Oh, more. What's this? This is a mountain of food. That's egg. It's egg. Yours is specifically just, there's no okonomiyaki with cheese.
Okay. I guess
Very
I
good.
I'm eating cheese.
Okay.
I didn't know.
Yeah.
I thought that you guys all had cheese.
No.
Oops.
Let me see what's in
The girl from Japan that I was with in Japan, she was like, they all have cheese in it, so it's like a part of it. So I was like, oh.
Nothing like some good kimchi. Good.
Good?
Want some? And the potatoes? Yeah, I might have to order that.
Pork and potatoes are
I have to, man.
and what?
Yeah, my thing has like
There's
chicken.
pork in there.
Yeah, I was like, there's something else in there.
There's pork
Is
in
there?
the kimchi.
No way.
There's pork and squid in there.
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's okay. I'm glad I didn't try to put it in my mouth. I was like, that looks like a little piece of meat.
Yeah, that definitely wasn't like a leaf.
It's like every dish, I'm telling you, dude. Every single one is like meat.
That's why I just have to go to like the vegan restaurant.
Yep, that's definitely meat.
Yeah.
I thought he was gonna do something.
I was ready for a flip or something.
I know.
This is not letting it stick.
Something so delicious about grilled veggies. Sauteed in a little butter for that extra flavor. Baby.
That's my
That's a lot.
Oh yeah, baby. Yeah. Shit.
Okonomiyaki sauce. Okonomiyaki sauce.
What's in it?
What's it made of?
Soy. Soy. Okonomiyaki sauce.
Okay. Let's see what.
It might be oyster.
Oh yeah, this is the
I know.
Okay. No, you don't know.
All right. The takoyaki is complete. This looks pert good. I think we made the right decision, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sure was. He literally was like, sus. All right. Get in there, team. Oh, Mike getting a little, he's getting a little cut going in here. Let's see it, Mike. There it is. Yep. The finesse. Everybody's chopping right now. Again, the reason I did not order one, I knew I didn't have the appetite for one. That's why.
Because you ate that big ass egg.
Yeah, when I saw Esser's at the previous restaurant, I decided to opt out. But I do want to try it all the same. Holy crap.
So much mayonnaise. I don't think I can finish this.
They really pile on the mayonnaise and the takoyaki, or not takoyaki, the Okonomiyaki sauce.
Oyster sauce. Honey.
Quite a lot. We figured out it's made of oyster because we were trying to ask to see if Katie could have some. She cannot. But it's oyster, honey, and a couple other ingredients to make a brown kind of mixture sauce. Some soy sauce in there too. And that's piled on with some mayonnaise, and there you go. That's your seafood pancake. Looks like JB's getting the first bite in. What do we got?
So thick. It's good though. It's good. Very creamy.
Very creamy, huh?
That mayonnaise is strong. Yep.
A little overpowering.
It's just a lot for me.
Looked like he cooked quite a bit, you know.
But it's good.
All right, Esther.
I feel like without the sauce, it's just kind of like it.
Better than the first okonomiyaki that I had earlier.
Okay. Do you like the sauce in them?
Sauce is good. Mayonnaise, I think they put a little too much mayonnaise.
Yep. It was a little heavy-handed. Now, Mike, let's see your verdicts, my friend. Would you like me to record for you? Okay. Mike is setting it up. Hello, Hyperspace Universe fans.
What man?
There it is. There it is. Get in there, Mike. Get in there, Mike. That determination. Oh.
Fantastic. Drop the beer, drop my camera.
Camera will be good.
Bloopers.
Bloopers. I mean, I got it on mine, so you can watch it again.
Okay, never mind. Done.
Mike's got his first bite underway. The verdict?
That's my verdict. Definitely a lot better than the other one.
Really?
I like the added noodles too.
How do you feel about the lubricant amount? Oh, the mayonnaise and the sauce.
I like it. I think
it's what makes the dish.
Yeah.
It's enough for Mike. Okay.
It's enough for me.
So it's enough for him. For JB, it's a tad too much.
It's what makes the dish.
Caitlin looks as though she's seen a ghost.
It just without the sauce, I think it's just
It's not
kind
good
of
without.
not flavorful or.
It just tastes like.
You could have had mayonnaise, right?
Yeah, but it's just so much. Like when he put that, because I was gonna get it, and then I saw how much he put, and I was like.
You could have just told him a little bit. All right, and now I'll ask for a sample, a small sample of one of my friends.
You can definitely have someone.
All right. Well, once JB's done with his, actually, I can utilize this spatula over here. I didn't see this. Let's get a very, very tiny, just a little.
I was gonna get the sauce.
That should be enough, right? All right. Gonna put this guy down right here. Do a little chopstick action. Get all this in there.
It's not good without.
All right. That's my sample right there. I also had my own that I wasn't really paying attention to, but
I like it.
okay. Here we go.
Maybe just like less sauce, but I think it'll be okay by itself. Okay, let's go. Just wanted to taste it.
That's it.
Wow. Yeah. Very, very good. I like it. But I can see how if I got more towards the center of this pancake, that mayo and that sauce would be way over the top. Too much. This right here, the outer layer, or the rim, so to speak, which had like very little on it, that was like the perfect amount for me. And the noodles add a little something extra too. Very good. I feel like the noodles and this is what will fill you up the most. Pretty good. I liked it. Man,
I like it like
delicious.
it's not.
So the verdict on the Okonomiyaki, from what I tasted, it was okay. It wasn't something that I would go immediately seeking out, but it wasn't bad. Now, from Esser and Mike and all them, from what they tried, they were saying that, you know, it was a little bit different than okay. Some of them, mainly JB and Esser, were saying, you know, that there was too much mayonnaise, which I kind of agree. That dude really went pretty heavy-handed on it, whereas Mike thought that it was all right for his taste buds. Again, overall, not anything that I'd be kind of like jumping out of my seat to go and grab. The takoyaki, on the other hand, that was very good. The only thing that I wish is that there wasn't so much dough, kind of like the raw, like gushy dough in the middle. Just because the texture of it eventually kind of gets to me personally, and makes me not really want to eat anymore. But other than that, the octopus was great, the flavor was great, and I would definitely get the takoyaki again. So I hope you guys enjoyed checking out our Dotonbori food dive for the day. And if you know any good places to get takoyaki, or if you know any good places to get okonomiyaki, then make sure to tell the people below so that when they come to Japan, they know exactly where to go. So with that, I think I'm gonna close it out. Mike, you got anything to say, bro?
Baby.
All right.